Hello kids, let's make corn from Mathlink Cubes.
Genius Kids channel.
We will make corn fixed. We use yellow cubes to make it similar with the original one. Then we will make the leaves with green cubes. Yay! Me made it! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.